Yep, Mr. Phormula here, Mr. Phormula. I'm back with another retro game, live beatboxing, looping cover. So, the last video dwytha, I used Zelda. So, my modern day, it's only fair for this next video that we go for Super Mario. So, we're going for the original Mario theme, and we're going to use the theme music, the theme, and we're also going to use a little bit of the underground levels as well. So, Mashup, gwreiddiol, we're going to mash it up. I've mapped it out on Ableton Push, and as you can see, I've got all my devices here, so let's see what happens. Mwynhewch, enjoy. I treat the industry like the Wild West. Modern day grand theft. Straight play the game, no side quest. I roll through who's who, take a wild guess. I see clicks get tight like a vice press. My conclusions, the industry's a right mess. Only trust a few, prefer to avoid stress. You're all really lacking guidance. Swept away in the waves by Poseidon. I refuse to prove myself to anyone. I never doubted myself, politics are irrelevant. So I do what I do because I'm genuine. Apart from that, we're all skeleton. Flesh and bone, but some are gelatin. Do whatever they can to stay relevant. Try and stay at the front and take precedence, but I'm quick to spot any deceptiveness. I never said that I knew it all. Egos above, they were born to fall. Can't hear the voices from below. Take a look down, that's a long way to go. I never said that I knew it all. Egos above, they were born to fall. Can't hear the voices from below. Ha. Och vad jag får för du switchar stale. Det himmel väl vid dåd vad det trio darkan braille. I'm a legend underground John Cale. Paul Pangbo, this the man from Wales. Dream a really creu music i pleasure. Min creu music be lecture. Mwy na thebyg mae hyn yn esbonio. Pan dwi'n ista yn y gwagder ma'n disgwyl rhywun i ffonio. A fi, yr unig geiriau sgynna i disgrifio'r sain sy'n drifio allan o'r CD ar y carped fel olew trwchus rhag genedigaeth i rhywbeth peryglus. Never said that I knew it all. Egos above, they were born to fall. Can't hear the voices from below. Take a look down, that's a long way to go.